In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to check Gmail storage. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Gmail on either your phone or PC. Then from here, you should bring something like this inside of the dashboard. From here, you'll need to go up to the settings tab up here in the right hand corner. And then from here, you'll need to go down to quick settings. From here, you should bring something like this. And here you can see all of your different settings that you have inside of Gmail. From here, you'll need to, for the quickest way, go into account and import. And then from here, you can see down here, you have, personally, I have 1% out of 15 gigabytes used for free. And as you can see, you can also see over here that the last account activity was updated 5 minutes ago. You'll see that over here on the right hand side, but mainly you can click here and see how much storage you have used inside of your Gmail. You can also click on it to buy more storage. Like here, you can get 100 gigabyte, 200 gigabyte inside of your Gmail. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!